Development in the Yes Bank scam. Now, Bombay High Court has granted bail to DHFL promoters Dheeraj and Kapil Wadhawan, who have been arrested by the ED in the case. The High Court granted bail to the Wadhawans after the Enforcement Directorate failed to file a charge sheet within the stipulated period of 60 days since the arrest. Now, in fact, the ED filed the charge sheet a day after, on the 61st day, but the Wadhawans will not be walking out of jail as they're also under arrest in a related case filed by the CBI. Let me go back to Sandhya, who's with us and will give us more details on this as well. Sandhya, if you can take us through what's been happening here. Obviously, the charge sheet was filed on the 61st day, so they received bail on that front, but they will still not be walking out of jail anytime soon.
Yes, absolutely, Avni. So, Kapil and Dheeraj Wadhawan, DHFL promoters, they are accused of money laundering. They are accused of giving kickbacks of rupees 600 crore to Rana Kapoor, Yes Bank's founders' daughters, in return of getting Yes Bank to invest into their company in the form of debenture worth rupees 3,700 crore. That is one allegation against them in the case. Second allegation is how they actually took a loan for one of their companies of DHLF Group company, a loan of rupees 750 crore, which was laundered via several other companies of their own group. And that money was actually never used for the purpose which was mentioned while taking the loan. So money laundering is one allegation which they are facing, and that is being looked after by ED. Another thing, CBI is also investigating the same case, Avni, and that CBI is actually looking after the cheating and conspiracy part of it. So now talking about Kapil and Dheeraj Wadhawan getting a bail from Bombay High Court. This is an ED case, the case which is ED investigating. So ED actually got the custody of father-son duo on 14th of May, and according to the court, they were supposed to file a charge sheet on 12th of July. And there was 1 day's delay. That was 13th of July was the day when the charge sheet was filed, which means it was 61st day. Now, as per the rule clearly says that if an agency fails to meet the deadline to file a charge sheet, this automatically becomes one of the most important grounds for bail. And this happened in this case. It was on 61st day when the bail was when the charge sheet was filed. So now court has granted bail to both of them, but because they are in they are framed by CBI as well, that's why they won't get to walk out of the jail. But both the Wadhawans have filed for another bail in CBI case as well, and that matter is yet to be heard. Avni.
All right, Sandhya, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.